Oh my god, you guys just missed a huge wall cloud rolling. Where's my focus on this thing? Look, it's just amazing. Wind was gusting about 50 miles an hour just a moment ago. There's some lightning. Where's that? We have tornado warnings. I don't know where the storm's at. I'd love to see a tornado form. My flag's just blowing a little bit. Oh, something might be forming there. It's pretty sweet. I don't know, is that the tornado forming right there trying to? Excuse me. See if I can get the flag in here too. Crazy clouds. Wind's starting to pick up now. Nice. You probably shouldn't be doing this, so don't try this at home. Starting to rain now. A couple drops on me. This is right above me. There's the flag. Wind's picking up. There's some good lightning. Whoa, yeah! 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000. Alright. There's the flag picking up. Wind's picking up now. Coming in from the north. Let's see if I can get some more lightning. That was sweet. Oh, my kid's gonna love this. That's not ground, cloud to ground lightning. It was in the clouds. Come on, lightning, where you at? Yeah. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000. It's getting farther away. There's the flag again. Whoa, I missed it. Damn. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000. It's getting closer. I'm an amateur, but I'm not stupid. Here we go. Come on. There's a wind. I don't know, flop the flag around. Oh, here comes Renee to yell at me. Maybe not. It's just kind of stupid. Oh, but it's not raining here, so. There's the trees blowing, barely. It's starting to rain here now. Where is it? Where is it? Wah! 1,000, 2, 1,000. little too close for comfort, that one.